Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ solo. First, understand that solo play demands a different mindset than group play. You'll need to be self-reliant and extremely cautious. Focus on stealth and evasion, as direct confrontations are often too risky. Prioritize your basic survival needs, such as finding clean water and enough food, to maintain your health and energy levels. This approach will significantly increase your chances of long-term survival in the harsh environment. When playing solo, securing a reliable water source is paramount. Look for wells in towns or craft a water bottle to collect rain. Food is your next priority. Forage for berries and mushrooms, or hunt small animals like chickens or rabbits using a silent weapon. Always maintain a low profile, staying out of sight and minimizing noise. Moving through dense foliage or at night can significantly reduce your visibility to other players, keeping you safer. Efficient gear management is crucial for solo players. Carry only essential items like a primary weapon, a few magazines, a knife, and basic medical supplies. Avoid over-encumbering yourself. When considering a base, think small and hidden. A temporary shelter in a remote, forested area or a well-camouflaged tent can offer a safe haven. Utilize natural cover like dense bushes or rock formations to conceal your stash and make it harder for others to discover. Dealing with threats as a solo player requires extreme caution. Your best defense is often avoidance. If you spot other players, try to observe them from a distance and move away silently. Pay close attention to sound cues. The distinct groans of zombies or footsteps of players can alert you to danger. Always have an escape route planned, especially when looting high-risk areas. Remember, your life is your most valuable asset, so prioritize survival over confrontation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.